How to install NordLayer on macOS. This guide will show you how to set up the NordLayer application on macOS. It requires macOS 10.12, Sierra, and above. Downloading and installing. 1. You can download the app from the NordLayer control panel. Alternatively, you can use the Apple App Store. 2. If you have downloaded the NordLayer application via our website, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the NordLayer.package file that you have downloaded. 3. Installation window will pop up. You will be guided through all the necessary steps to complete the NordLayer installation. Setting up the application. 1. Open the Launchpad and click on the NordLayer icon. 2. Enter your organization ID. 3. Log into your account with your username/password. SSO. 4. Connect to a shared gateway or your organization's private gateway. 5. The first time you try connecting, you may be prompted to add NordLayer configurations, which you need to allow. 6. A neat window will appear, asking for access to the keychain. Enter your device's password and click Always Allow. 7. The connection status will change to protected. Note, in case you have any questions or are experiencing any issues, please feel free to contact NordLayer 24/7 customer support team.